Hi guys, welcome to A Crafty Rainbow. I'm Sarah and today's tutorial is going to be really quick and easy on how to put a photo in a shape. Okay, so this is my silhouette. I do have a business edition, but you can do this in the basic. And I've literally just typed a letter. We did an L, we used a bit of a chunky font. I'm also going to do a shape, so we'll just do a heart. There we go. Okay, and then what we're going to do is we want some pictures in this file. We don't want to open a new tab because sometimes I do that. Right, so you go to File, you don't go Open, we go to Merge and find wherever your file is, and we'll take a picture. Huge picture, so I'm going to resize that. Right, and I don't want the picture in the heart, so we're just going to move that out the way for now. And I want to just slightly change it, so I'm just going to flip it that way. There we go. So when you do your picture, you might think, well, I can't see where I'm supposed to put it because it's behind the shape. Well, what you would do is you can right click and you can send the picture to the back, which means it puts it on the back layer, and then you can see the shape like this, and then you can make sure everything's just right. So we go, yeah, we like that. Make sure to left click and drag so that you pick up everything. Then you want to go to the modify over here and then crop, and there we go. It's the same for the heart that we did. We're going to bring another picture in, so we go File and Merge. We are going to use our puppy picture. We're going to just resize it slightly, and again we can't see, I can't get the cute puppy in. This is not my puppy, by the way. So we right click, send to the back, and then we can see, so we can move it a little bit. Let's do that because that is super cute. No, actually, let's get the ease in. Hold on. Let's move it like that way. There we go. So it's the same. Oh, hold on a sec. Must get it all in. There we go. It's better. So the same, left click, drag so that you catch everything and crop. And it is as simple as that. You just have to remember that you do need to still do your trace lines. You just do that. Trace the outer edge so you have your cut lines. So when you send it, you have your cut lines. So for example, if you were doing print to cut, obviously you would have to change the mat, put the registration marks on, send it to your printer, put it in your silhouette machine, and then it would cut it. If you're lucky, I always have problems with print cut. But yeah, that's basically it. That is how easy it is to do a photo in a shape. You can do multiple photos, different shapes. It's ideal for anybody who does print and cut or print on vinyl. It's perfect. Well, thanks for watching, everybody. If there's any tutorials that you would like me to do or explain how to do things or find how to do things, because even some things I don't know how to do, then leave me a message below and I'll see what I can do for you. Thanks now. Bye.